What's up guys, Matt Laidlaw here, coming to you from the oldest, largest, and finest Harley-Davidson dealership in the greater Los Angeles area, Laidlaw Harley-Davidson. So today I'm going to be doing a test ride on a 2018 Fatboy, and this Fatboy is owned by one of our customers. It's an Anniversary Fatboy. He did a stage 4 kit on it with the auto tuner and Bassani full exhaust system. So I wanted to do a test ride on it. We actually have the bike here on consignment right now, so we are selling the bike. We're taking it out and checking out the power and the sound and everything. This month we are celebrating our 60th year of being in business. So if you guys are looking for a bike right now, come on down. We got some low APR promos right now, and we're giving top dollar on trade as well. So come check us out. So this is a 2018 model year Fatboy. This is the 115th year anniversary bike. So this is a limited edition bike, and this is the Legend Blue denim paint. So the bike started off as 114 cubic inch. So this is a stage 4 build, which built it up to a 117. It's also got Bassani's Road Rage full exhaust system on here as well, and a couple other doodads on here. You got the rear turn signals LED, those are the custom dynamics, and we got a backrest on there for the passenger, and you've got this swing arm saddlebag here, and he went with some Defiance collection items: derby cover, floorboards, shifter pegs, all Defiance collection. You got a crash bar there as well, Defiance collection grips. And other than that, I think that's about it as far as custom work on the bike. Stock seat on here. We've got that real wide 240mm rear tire on the Fatboy this year. And yeah, this thing absolutely hauls ass. Anybody that says Harley-Davidsons are slow has not ridden one of these. This thing is extremely fast. And so we're going to take it out on the highway right now. Apologize to you guys about the camera angles. I had my cameras kind of set up for riding on a bagger. I'm normally on my Street Glide, and on this bike I had to lean a little bit more forward than usual without the fairing because I was fighting the wind a little bit. So the bottom line is this thing was stupid fast. I mean, it's just a lot of fun to ride a Harley with this much power, all this torque, and running it at a high RPM. Most Harleys are all designed for low RPM power delivery, but this is built more for high-end revving, more of a horsepower-oriented build. I will say that I had a hard time transferring all of that power down to the road. The reason being is the road conditions with all the freeway joints and grooves and bumps. It was just, I was getting a lot of unstable front end. As soon as I really got it up to speed, any disturbance in the chassis at all, like even when I was shifting, if I didn't shift really smooth, it would disrupt the front end because the front end was getting bouncing so much. It was pretty much taking the suspension to the limit. I will say that this 2018 chassis handles this type of speed light years better than the old Softails. So if I was on the old frame, the old Softail frame, I wouldn't have been able to even get anywhere near these speeds on these roads. I would love to take this bike on a perfectly groomed track. That would just be a ton of fun. But yeah, this road really sucked. So anyways, yeah, I just having a hard time really transferring all the power to the ground. And the reason I bring this up is because a lot of times I get these questions like, oh, why didn't you completely open up the throttle mat and take it on up? First of all, these bikes with this kit on it, the governor kicks in way before you hit max speed on this. The governor comes on at 110 miles an hour, but it'll get to that 110 really quickly. So they are still a ton of fun even with the governor on it. But anyways, guys, yeah, a lot of fun, great build. I've ridden a lot of these stage 4 bikes now. The Bassani exhaust on this thing sounds real mean. I mean, I just can't think of a better setup for a Harley than this. I mean, this thing was awesome. The other thing I'll mention too is I just don't fit on these frames at all. So I couldn't really get in a good position to ride fast either. Just my legs just got in the way. I mean, my knees almost touch the handlebars. I don't know if you can see or not, but if I'm a lot more comfortable on a touring bike. If I rode a Softail like this, I would need a seat that really kicked me back a lot further for me to be comfortable, especially at high speeds on it. Thanks for watching, guys. As always, if you have any questions, feel free to leave them in the comments below. I put forth a lot of effort to try to get back to everybody, especially if you have a legitimate question I can answer for you. If you're looking for a Harley-Davidson in the Southern California area, hit us up, come see me. Thanks a lot, guys. Bye-bye.